These number sentences show addition or a joining action where part and part are given and the total needs to be calculated. Students draw a picture, show it as a strip diagram, and write a word problem for each of these cards. Let's take one. 6 plus 3. Six plus 3 is unknown. 6 ones, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the other one is 1, 2, 3. And my strip diagram, total is missing. We don't know the total. One part is 6 and the other part is 3. This is what needs to be calculated. Word problem. Students will provide information for the part and part. They'll give the part and part, and the question will be based on calculating the total. Like Jill has 6 ribbons. So the is still information. She bought 3 more. And the question is, how many ribbons does she have now? Same way, 7 plus 4 is unknown. 7 plus 4 7 units plus 4 units, and the total is missing. 7 and 4 are the 2 parts. Dan baked 7 cakes in the morning. He baked 4 more in the afternoon. The question is, how many cakes did he bake in all? Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback. There is a problem, picture, strip diagram, and a sample word problem. And students also can use this list of vocabulary to come up with their own word problems.